Hi there, students. Rivalry. Okay, rivalry. A noun. Usually uncountable, but it could be countable as well. A rival. A person. Rivaling, I guess, is an adjective as well. Okay, let's see. Rivalry, this talks about competition between people, between businesses, between organizations, particularly who are in the same area, who have the same objectives. So, for example, sibling rivalry. The rivalry between brothers, the rivalry between brother and sister, they are always competing. There is rivalry for the affection of their parents, yeah? So there was always a lot of sibling rivalry. Competitiveness, competition, opposition. There was a lot of rivalry within the Conservative Party for the job of leader of the party. Okay, so yeah, there were various rivals. So rivalry, the act of rivaling something, competing with it. In this town we have a festival rivaling the best festivals in any other place in the world. A competitor of. I guess you could have rivalrous as well as an adjective. Okay, so a rival, a competitor, a person, a team, a company who has the same goals as you. They're striving to get the same things. So in business, two companies in the same sector are rivals. Yeah. Okay. Someone who is as good as you. In this competition, my main rival will be John, who I have known for many years. You could say that something is without rival. Yeah, there's nothing else that has the same quality. There is nothing that could compete with it. Nothing else has similar claims. So as an English teacher, I have no rival. I am by far the best. Okay, yeah, so rival. One thing rivals another. Yeah, they have the same pretensions, the same claims, the same standing, the same superiority. I discovered that there was a rival for my girlfriend's affections. Yeah, a competitor. Yeah, he was my rival in love. Yeah, okay, so to rival, to compete with, or to rival, to be equal to. Okay, so rivalry, the act of competing, the state of being a rival. To compete with, rivalry, competition, vying, struggle, conflict, contest. There was always rivalry between him and his brother. Yeah, they were always trying to do better than each other. Yeah. Okay, so to enter into rivalry with someone. Yeah. As a channel in YouTube, there is no channel that rivals mine. My channel is without rival because there are just so many videos in it. They are both rivals for her affection. A rival football team. Yeah. There was a rivalry, or many rivalries, competitions between the two brothers. Okay, rivalry. Formality, 5.5 in formality, use anywhere, a touch on the more formal side. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, rivalis, a person using the same stream. This comes from rivus, a little river. So a rivalis, this is literally somebody using the same water, using the same stream to drink out of, and clearly you're rivals for the use of this water. Rivus, a brook, a channel. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rivalry.